Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to run simple linear regression using Excel all versions starting from 2010 to 2019. So here we have two variables. We have first time visits to website along with returning visits. So we want to see whether or not there is like a linear relationship between these two variables, and we want to generate the regression equation. So I'm going to select the data like this by on the left of the keyboard, the mouse, and scrolling down. Then we go to insert and we choose this type of graph, that is scatter plot. So we are going to click on it and choose scatter plot. Click on it and here is the scatter plot created. So what we need to do is we need to create a line of best fit. So to do this we just have to click on these points. So we need to click on these data points and right click on the mouse and we add a trend line. So we have a trend line and we can modify its shape. We can make it solid line. We can change its color to, for example, black, and we can make it like this type. So we don't need the dots. So we need it just like this. All right. So now we can tick the equation model as well. So we can go back to the dots and from add data points we go to display equation on chart and display r squared. So this is the equation, the simple linear regression, and this is the r squared. Here it's 0.9. this is strong value. This means that there is a strong correlation, more or less positive correlation, between the first time visits and the returning visits. So, and remember that correlation does not mean causation. So we can interpret the results this way. So see you in another tutorial. If you have questions or remarks, you can contact me or post them below.